Hi, welcome back to Art Design with Canva with me, Reno Nadiandi, and today I will show you how to turn your photos into cinematic 3D motion scenes. First, open a project in Canva. I will use Instagram posts and prepare at least 6 photos in your computer. Now go to Apps and type here Depth, enter, and choose Depth Loop. You have 10 credit for free here, and then click choose Files. On your computer, select all and click open. Okay, now they are here. And then choose the motion styles. You can see here and you can select all the style that you want, a carousel or anything. Okay. And then scroll down. Choose the motion transition, zoom or slide. And then choose the direction, left, right, top, or from the bottom. And then adjust the duration. Okay. For example, I will choose 0.4 and then select the animation option. You can change the speed, slower or faster. And then the direction, forward or reverse. And then you can choose the zoom right here. And then the frame option. You can change border, Polaroid, and the ratio I will choose to original. Okay. The corner radius I will set to 11. And the background color I will change to the same color as this background, which is white. But if you use the Polaroid, the border will be not appear. So I will change it to this gray. And then you can change the background to the same color. Now I will back to zoom. I will change it to 1. And then I will change to Polaroid, the design. Alright, now click add to design and it will render the animation. Okay, now you have it, and then let's change the background color to the same color as the animation. Click here and click the color dropper and color picker, and click here. And then I will increase the size and place it in the center. Now let's play it. And in this type of animation, you can change here. You can even increase the size to maximum like this. So now we have it. Please hit the like button if you like this tutorial. See you next video and have fun with Canva.